Alliance Gator. Gator Maxx offers an advanced haze-free technology, 20% more polymers, 50% stronger. In a drainage application, sets within 1 hour above 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 Celsius, and is rain safe 1 hour after water activation. In a non-drainage overlay application, sets within 24 hours above 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 Celsius, and is rain safe 24 hours after water activation. Alliance is the only manufacturer offering a 15-year warranty. Gator Maxx colors beige and slate gray. They will last and enhance the pavers of today. Gator Maxx, ideal for concrete pavers, wet cast products and natural stone with joints up to 2 inches. It can also be used on false joint pavers, ideal for residential and commercial application, also Gator base applications. Gator Maxx can be used in multiple application types such as non-drainage, overlay, and drainage applications. Overlay Type 1. Over a concrete base, pavers will be adhering to a thin mortar or permanent bond adhesive. Overlay Type 2. Over a concrete base, pavers will be laid on a bedding sand. Overlay Type 3. Over a concrete base, pavers will be laid over bedding sand and compacted crushed stone base. Finally, the paver joints will be filled with Gator Maxx. Gator Maxx works when you work. In overlay applications, Gator Maxx sets within 24 hours at above 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 Celsius, and is rain safe 24 hours after water activation. For drainage application, the paver's joints will be filled with Gator Maxx. Gator Maxx sand sets within 1 hour above 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 Celsius, and is rain safe 1 hour after water activation. Gator Maxx installation steps. Step 1. Spread Gator Maxx with hard bristled broom. Make sure it completely fills the joints. Leave a layer on the surface to aid in vibrating and consolidating into the joints. Step 2. Vibrate the Gator Maxx into the paver joints using a vibratory plate compactor. A rubber pad is recommended not to damage any of the pavers. It is best to compact in several directions to ensure there are no air gaps or voids in the joints. Repeat the sweeping and compacting steps twice. Step 3. Sweep off excess polymeric sand from the paved surface. First with a hard bristled broom, then a soft bristled broom. Take care to leave the height of the polymeric sand at least 1/8 of an inch below the edge or chamfer of the pavers. Step 4. Use a leaf blower to remove all remaining residue from the paved surface. Step 5. Use a watering gun connected to a hose set to shower. Watering must be started at the lowest point of the paved surface. Shower water on a specific area of 100 square feet. Wait no longer than 2 to 3 minutes. Never allow paved surface to dry out during the water activation phase. Shower and rinse simultaneously on a section of 100 square feet so as to eliminate any residue left on the pavers. Wait no longer than 2 to 3 minutes. Shower and rinse simultaneously. Any residue should go directly into the paver joints. However, stop showering when you see water retention on the paver joints. Step 6. Use a leaf blower to remove any excess water remaining on the paver pores and crevices. This blowing action is necessary to help remove any remaining Gator Maxx residue left on paver surface from the previous steps. Gator Maxx offers an advanced haze-free technology, 20% more polymers, 50% stronger. Alliance is the only manufacturer offering a 15-year warranty. To learn more, visit us at alliancegator.com.